Friend, how are you? I'm Arun sir, qualification Bachelor of Engineering from Jadavpur University. Welcome to my channel Tuition Expert. In this class, I will discuss the position vector, direction cosines, and orthogonal components. Now, what is position vector of a point? What is position vector of a point P? We know the vector start from a point and end to another point. Suppose point P. For position vector, the initial point must be origin. That is another point. This is a point P, and another point must be origin. O is origin. So one point that is fixed. One point is fixed. That is fixed at origin. Suppose this is OP vector. Suppose position vector of point Q equal point Q means OQ vector. Position vector of point A is OA vector. PP. Position vector means PP. This is abbreviation. Now, if the coordinate of P becomes XYZ, so we have to determine the position vector in terms of this. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. This is origin. Suppose a point P. Suppose this is a point P. Coordinate is x, y, z. Now OP vector. We have to find the vector OP. Now draw a perpendicular from P to the plane xy. We draw a perpendicular at here. Now z. So this becomes x, this becomes y, and this becomes z. Now we know unit vector along x is I, so this vector will be xi vector, this vector will be yj vector, and this vector will be zk vector. Because we know vector equal to magnitude into direction. So suppose this is A, B, this is C, this is P. Now from the parallelogram OABC, from the parallelogram OABC, OABC, OC is diagonal, OC equal to OA plus OB. So OC vector this vector is xi, yj, and this vector is zk. Now from the parallelogram law, OC is diagonal, so this becomes this plus this equal to this, because this is diagonal. Diagonal OC equal to this plus this, and now from the triangle OCP, OP equal to OC plus CP. So OC equal to CP equal to ZK. So this is the position vector of point P. This is the result. Now what is the length of the OP? O is origin, and this is XYZ equal to distance between 2 points, which becomes this. So if so what is the value of this becomes the coefficient xyz. This is the answer. And here is a point P, and here is a point Q. Coordinate of P is, coordinate of Q is OP is and OQ. Now we have to determine the vector PQ. We have to determine the vector PQ. What is the result? PQ. That is this. PQ. Now from the triangle rule, OP plus PQ equal to OQ. From the triangle rule, because this and this taken in same order and OQ is opposite order. This taken in same order, this is opposite order. So OP plus PQ equal to OQ. From that is PQ equal to OQ minus OP. OQ equal to, now what is OQ? OQ equal to this minus, so this becomes so this is the PQ, magnitude of PQ, this square plus this square plus this square, which is also distance between 2 points. From the vector we get this, and also this value is distance between 2 points. So to remember, suppose mn vector, you have to determine the mn vector. So we write on minus om, that is end point become first, end point become first, right end point at first, and m is this. Suppose AB vector equal to OB, end point is B, so we start from OB. RS equal to end point is S, so we start from S. So you remember that the end point become first for vector. So this is X, this is Y, this is Z, and the vector would be this. This is O, this is P. Now suppose this angle is alpha, that is the vector OP makes an angle alpha with x axis and makes an angle beta with y axis and makes an angle gamma with z axis. Coordinate of P is x, y, z. So we can write, if we draw perpendicular from this, and perpendicular on y, that is this. This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. So this becomes x, this becomes y, this, and this becomes z. This to this. So direction cosine is cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. These three terms are called direction cosine of vector OP. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, which is denoted by L, M, N. L, M, N are called direction cosines of a vector. Now from the triangle, suppose this is vector, this is point A, this is B, this is C. from the triangle OAP, cos alpha equal to base by hypotenuse OP. So x equal to OP cos alpha, and cos alpha which is called L, and AM equal to cos beta which is equal to y by OP, and N equal to cos gamma which is equal to Z by OP. So L equal to this, N equal to this, M equal to this, and Z equal to this. Now, L square plus M square plus N square becomes L equal to now what is OP? OP becomes the length of the vector OP, which is equal to 1. So result is L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. Result, this is the result. L equal to cos alpha. Remember this, L equal to cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. What is direction ratios? Direction ratios are three numbers which are proportional to the direction cosines. That is, if A, B, C are direction ratios are written within this bracket. If A, B, C are the direction ratios of vector or line, we can use direction ratio for line. Vector is also a line segment. Direction of vector OP, then A by L equal to B by M, C by N. This result holds. These are the ratios which are proportional to the direction cosines. These are the result. So suppose you are given ABC and we have to find L, M, N. So suppose this becomes K. The ratio are same. Let that ratio is K. So what is A? A equal to KL, B equal to KM, and C equal to KM. Now we get A square plus is equal to equal to 1. So K equal to this. Now L equal to A by K, that is A by this. Again M equal to B by K, which is equal to this, and N equal to C by K, which becomes. So if we squaring and adding, then we get the result this also. If we squaring this and adding, then we get the result this also. So if you are giving the direction ratio ABC, you can get L, M, N by this result. Now if a line passing through 2 points, that is if there are 2 points in a line, suppose actually direction ratio of line AB will be that is difference of their coordinates are the direction is P is here. Coordinate of P is XYZ and origin is 0 0 0. We write OP vector equal to this. So now the direction ratio of this vector will be coefficient of ijk, that is XYZ at the direction ratio, because x minus 0 depends of the two coordinate XYZ and 0 0 0. X minus 0 equal to x, y minus 0 equal to y, z. So these are called direction ratios of the vector or a line. Vector, if you tell the vector, then vector, and if you ask the line, then these are direction ratios of the line. So the vector OP as IJK are orthogonal to each other, x y z axis are orthogonal to each other, then these are orthogonal components of vector OP. Orthogonal component, these individually are orthogonal components of vector OP. Now let's discuss a problem. Now let's discuss the two problem. First problem is if a unit vector if a unit vector A unit vector A makes angle pi by 4 with I, pi by 3 with J, and an acute angle theta with K, then find the components of A and the angle theta. This is the problem. So solution is, suppose this is origin x y, so this is vector A. Suppose let this vector makes an angle alpha with x axis, beta with y axis, and gamma with z axis. So we know L square plus m square plus n square equal to 1, that is cos square alpha. L equal to cos alpha, we know cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. So pi by 4, cos alpha is pi by 4, so cos square pi by 4 plus cos square beta, that is pi by 3, cos square pi by 3 plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is equal to half cos 60 degree, 1 by root 2 square, half cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 4 square equal to 1. So from this result, cos square theta equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4. So cos theta equal to plus minus half, so theta equal to 60 degree or 120 degree. As theta acute angle, so acute angle is 60 degree, we take 60 degree, so theta equal to 60 degree. So answer, angle theta equal to 60 degree. Now what is the components of A? Now A will be A equal to, suppose x. So what is x? X equal to A cos alpha this. So unit vector, so magnitude A, if a unit vector, that is magnitude of A is 1. Problem is if ABC are three mutual perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude, prove that A plus B plus C is equally inclined with vectors A, B, and C. Also find the angle. So solution is this: A, B, C are three mutual perpendicular vector of equal magnitude. So magnitude of A, B, C equal. Suppose this is K. A dot B equal to 0. B dot C equal to 0. A dot C equal to 0 because A, B, C are mutual perpendicular vector. Now A plus B plus Cj and take A plus B plus Cj single vector. A, B, C. Suppose this vector is P vector. We know angle between two vector. Suppose theta equal to A. Suppose we have to determine the angle between A and P. So A dot P by mod A and mod P. So what is A? A dot mod A is equal to K, and mod P. We have to determine the mod P. Now A dot A equal to A square. A dot B 0 0. A square means K square. K mod P. So S square means K square. So this becomes K by mod P. Similarly, suppose this vector makes an angle theta 1. This vector makes angle theta 1 with A, and this vector makes an angle theta 2 with vector B. So we can write cos theta 2 equal to B dot P by mod B into mod P, which is B dot B dot A is 0, B dot B equal to B square. B square means K square. K square. B dot C equal to 0 by B equal to K mod P, which is equal to K by P. Also here, same result. Similarly, cos theta 2, the angle of vector A plus B plus C with angle with vector C. So this becomes C, which similarly we get K by mod P. So cos theta 1, cos theta 2, and cos theta 3. This is 3. Cos theta 1, cos theta 2, and cos theta 3 angles will be same because result is same. This. Cos theta 2 equal to cos theta 3, which is equal to K by mod P. Therefore, so three angles are equal. Now what is the angle? To determine the angle, we have to find first P, magnitude of P. Magnitude of P means, so what is the magnitude of this? No, if square, so this becomes, A dot A means A square, that is K square. A dot B 0, A dot C 0, B dot A 0, B dot B K square plus B dot C 0, C dot A 0, C dot B 0 plus K square. C dot C mod C square, because A dot B, because A dot A equal to mod A square. We know that. So this is K square. Divided this, so this becomes 3K square. So mod P equal to root 3K. Now what is the angle? Cos theta 1. Suppose cos theta 1 is K by mod P, which is K by mod P equal to root 3K. So theta 1 equal to cos inverse. This is the result. Okay, this is the end of the class. Okay, thank you.